Got them loaded up, ready to go. What's up, guys? It's a beautiful March morning. It's about 40 degrees out, and we are on our way out to Wishman Performance with the LS1 and the 6-liter. So we're going to see what he has to say about the parts and if anything's worth the shit. I'm hoping that the 5.7 block should be fine. Just needs to be cleaned up. I'm hoping that the 6-liter, everything is good on that, so I can use that rotating assembly in the 5.7 and then get a forged rotating assembly for the 6-liter. We will see what he says. Keep our fingers crossed that we can get that 5.7 back up and running too, just to have another motor laying around that would be a decent little runner. So that's what we're doing, and yeah, we'll cut back to you when we get there. What's up, guys? Getting back in here with the forged 6-liter. Just got this back from the machine shop last week, and I am going to get ready to get it painted. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just tape off all of the mating surfaces like so, set the heads on, and to just run a razor blade around so that all the area that's going to be exposed will be painted. All the areas that won't be exposed will not be painted. So they should get a good head gasket seal, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that and get this timing cover put on. I got an old crappy one I'll probably just throw on with a couple bolts, same with the lifter valley, and then throw an old oil pan on it, and that way it's all sealed up and we can spray it. I don't care about overspraying on the oil pan or any of the covers, and we're gonna get this thing painted black tonight. Got the primer sprayed, and we're letting everything flash out real quick. Probably got a few more minutes on it, and we're getting the black paint mixed up right now, and it will be time to spray the block in black. I'm gonna go ahead and get the express frame, tank, and forks. And this black right here. Got the 3 coats of base on the 6-liter. Looking for damn slick. Got 3 coats on the express frame, tank, and forks. So we're gonna mix up some clear coat now and let this flash for probably another 15 minutes and poof it with some clear coat. guys, got the third and final coat on everything. It's warmer than hell in here. Hopefully we don't get any solvent pop on this, but block looks badass. Nice and shiny, nice and slick, looks wet, looks perfect, looks smooth, exactly what we want. So the express frame turned out pretty decent, not too bad. There's a little sag right there Jackson got in it, and then another one right there. And we had a small sag in the tank there, but you know, that's not too bad for the first time trying to paint. So looking pretty good.
Something interesting in a few minutes.
What?
They're taking that tree down the rest of the way from the bottom.
Cool, let's go watch it.